Mayor Joseph Estrada supports the presence of President Aquino in Zamboanga City to help resolve the crisis there. On Senator Jinggoy Estrada's being charged in connection with the scam, the elder Estrada says his son is capable of handling such problem. Again, here's Noel Perfecto.
Former President and current Manila City Mayor Joseph Ejercito Estrada expressed his support in the presence of President Benigno Aquino III in Zamboanga City to lead the government's campaign to seize oil insurrection by MNLF Nur Miswari faction.
Kaya lang, magdasal tayo para matapos na yung kaguluhan dyan sa Zamboanga. Para magkaroon ng peace and order. Dahil habang nagtatagal dyan, maraming tao, hindi lang sa Zamboangang maapekto ang buong Pilipinas. Wala namang leader na gusto mangyari yan eh. Siyempre, kaya wala akong opinion na gano'n. Tulungan na lang natin yung ating Pangulo.
Mayor Erap made this statement after inaugurating the opening of the new building of the 168 Twin Towers in Divisoria. Together with him was former First Lady and Congresswoman Imelda Marcos. According to the former president, Pinoy is a strong leader. That is why the public should support him to finally stop groups that intend to take over some areas in Zamboanga.
Ilan ng sundalo, ilang pulis na ang nasawi dyan. Bilyan ang namatay dyan. Ilan ng mga libo-libong tao na displaced pag sinusunog yung mga bawat bayan-bayan. At saka ang image natin internationally nasisira. Pati sa mga takot sa mga foreigner pumunta rito. Kaya you have to end it.
With regards to the support given by Vice President Binay, he reiterated that everybody should be one with President Aquino.
Tumutulong lang naman si Vice President, hindi naman nakikialam. Siyempre, concerned din siya being the Vice President. At saka, gusto niya tulungan din yung ating Pangulo. Kung ako hingin ng tulong ko, dito tulong din ako. Diba? Kailangan tulungan natin.
Media also took a chance to ask him about the involvement of his son, Senator Jinggoy Estrada, in the PDAF scam.
Ako bilang ama, ang alam ko ay madidepensa ni Senator Jinggoy ang kanyang sarili. He can defend himself.
For the People's Television, I'm Noel Perfecto.